Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fade in and fade out smoothly in CapCut. Let's get started. First, launch the CapCut app, open your video or create a new project. Move the playhead to the point where you want the video to start fading in. Tap on the video clip to select it. Then tap the diamond icon near the play button to add a keyframe. Scroll the bottom menu and tap opacity. Set opacity to 0 and tap check. Move the playhead a few seconds forward to where the video should be fully visible. Then tap the keyframe icon again to add a second frame. Set opacity to 100% and tap check. Next, move the playhead to where you want to fade out to begin. Tap on the video and tap the keyframe icon again. Move the playhead further to where the fade out should finish. Tap the keyframe icon and set to endpoint. Tap opacity and set it to 0%. Tap check to apply. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.